Like much of the rest of the world, everyone at Website Depot has been creating makeshift workspaces from home. Our routines have shifted from running out the doors every morning to staying indoors all day, making it hard to separate between the personal and the professional. So if you're one of the many millions who are also struggling with creating an at-home routine, stick around for some tips. Stick to one workspace. This may already be easy, as some of us have at-home offices with multiple monitors set up, but for the rest of us working on our laptops, it's harder to establish an office setting. If you have to use your dining room table or your living room, consider that area an office during your work hours, and don't use it for anything else if possible. This will help it feel more like an office during the day and your home in the evenings. When it comes down to it, we're all learning how to adapt to a work-life balance from home. Remember to be patient with yourself and others during this difficult time as we all navigate a new normal.